Noted challenges include a shortage of judicial officers, limited court infrastructure, and a lack of availability of qualified legal practitioners to take up positions on the bench. President Geingob says while government looks for ways to address budget cuts and other challenges, public concerns around the delay in finalizing cases before courts must be addressed.
There remains consistent concerns that court rolls are full and that matters brought before the courts take a long time to be finalized. It is also common cause that there are new phenomena whereby more and more people are resorting to litigation in the event of dispute, thus contributing to a heavy caseload on the court's roll. I encourage the Judiciary, in collaboration with the Minister of Justice and other key players in the legal fraternity, to explore innovative ways to increase court capacity through the establishment of specialized courts, such as community justice services, small claims court, family courts, and commercial courts. Chief Justice commented on it and kind of pointed to the problems. But that would be the way to look at it, but we also understand your problems.
Inequality and high legal costs are other factors which the President wants the legal fraternity to look into. These, he says, hinder access to justice.
The legal fraternity should regularly review its fees and evaluate affordability thereof within the confines of its governance framework. Similarly, the promotion of the culture of pro bono work for some of us laymen, meaning free of charge, would go a long way towards improving access to justice.
Crucial vacancies at the courts are yet to be filled, particularly at the Directorate of Lower Courts. There are more than 250 posts currently vacant within the Judiciary.
50% of the vacant posts are in the Directorate Lower Courts. The number of vacant posts in the Directorate Lower Courts is worrisome because magistrates' courts and the High Court are primarily trial courts, that is, first instance courts. They hear evidence of witnesses in both civil and criminal matters. That is an inherently labor-intensive and time-consuming activity.
Lack of qualified candidates further impact on their attempts to balance the male and female ratio in appointments.
In last year's report, I pointed out that greater effort was required to bring more women on the Supreme Court bench. Nevertheless, the Judicial Service Commission has deliberations on the matter, and I am in the process of conducting consultations across the board to address the concern. I am confident that in my next year's report, I'll report progress on the matter. I wish to stress, however, that the situation at the Supreme Court is part of a larger problem